to my channel. I am Elise, founder of Lettuce for Life. Today I am super excited about this video. I'm about to show all the naturals, 4B, 4C, 3C, 3B, all of it. How to lay your military bun. Yes, honey, and it's gonna last all week. Sis, if you do it this way, you're gonna be set all week. So I'm super excited about it. Before I hop into the video, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And then also, your girl is now a life coach. Super excited about it. I just got my certification and I am now offering coaching to all military. If you have a big decision or if you have just questions or concerns about anything regarding military, instead of me just constantly responding back to DMs or responding back to comments, I would just offer you a coaching class. I can talk to you one-on-one about your personal situation. And then also for all of the women out there, if you're struggling with your self-esteem, if you just need a boost of confidence, I am available. Lastly, if you need help finding your purpose, so if you're trying to figure out why God created you, what are your gifts, what are your talents, please reach out to me. So all of the information regarding my coaching will be linked down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. I love dancing way too much. My hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, all of that good stuff. It's also been moisturized. It has been drying overnight. And then I also banded it. So I banded it so that it would kind of be stretched a little bit. And that's just because my hair shrinks up so bad. And so I wanted it to be a little bit semi-stretched. So that's why I did it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and just take these off. And then I'm going to undo the braiding. And then we can go ahead and hop into how to lay your hair. So I guess while I'm unraveling these, I can kind of talk to y'all. So being like natural in the military, like, and when you have a lot of hair, I literally have gotten into so much, I wouldn't say trouble, y'all, but so many talks. I'm gonna take this out, move it out of the way. But I've gotten into a lot of talks about like my bun being extra big. And so whenever I do like box braids, like my bun is out of rigs, like okay. But sometimes it'll be like my natural hair, you know what I mean? Like it's my hair. It's not like, I'm not even trying to be out of reg, sis. This is what you're gonna get, honey. And so over time, I've just learned that with natural hair, and especially if you have a lot of hair, if you're like medium to long length, you just got to be really careful. You have to be really careful, making sure that you're looking at the regs, the regulations. Because whenever I first joined, honey, I didn't know. Like, people used to always say, oh, your hair is fattish. Like, I heard that in basic. Your hair is fattish. Your hair, you need to put more gel in it. You need to do this. You need to do that. And it's like, bruh, can I just be me? Can you just, like, let me be? So, if you are joining the military or you are just kind of, you know, new to the gang, look at them rigs, okay? And if you got a lot of hair, you're gonna have to use extra gel, because that's just what it is. You don't want nobody coming for you. So, but all in all, like, there's so many different protective styles that you can do in the military. I have a video about that. If you're interested, I will make sure that I link that down below as well. Make sure you check that out. All the braids are out of my hair. I'm going to go in with some water, go ahead and spritz my hair, and go ahead and define the part. So for my part, you can kind of do it whichever direction you want to do it. However, y'all, I got a big old peanut shaped head, honey. So I need to, you know, try to cover it up as much as possible. So I'm going to just do a middle part. That's what we're going with today. That's what I'm kind of feeling for the vibe. So once you actually get the part that you desire, you can go ahead and start wetting your hair. Now I'm gonna go in with my water, and I'm gonna spray the top part of my hair to lay it down as flat as possible. Rub that in really good. Oh, my gel of choice is gonna be my Eco Styler, and you're gonna slap this bad boy all over, honey, because you got to make sure it is slick down, okay?
Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right.
brush, and then you just go ahead and brush it in really good.
Yeah, give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. See, give it to me now. Mommy, move slow.
How slick it is, y'all. Hoo-wee. They ain't gonna be ready for me today, honey. They ain't gonna know what to do with me today. So, the thing about it is, when you have a lot of hair, you have got to make sure that it is as slick down as possible. So you trying your best to brush that gel in. My arms hurt, y'all. Okay.
So how the thing go? I'm not a bingo. You put me in a limbo. You got all the things that I really wanna get. You fine, you good, and you really set. And I got all the cash, so I really wanna spend. Stand up on the wall, make a chitty bang, and on you.
So what I use for my hair is, I like the big ties. They literally work really good for thick hair. If I was to use one of these, this would pop on me. This has popped me too many times before. So when you know better, you do better. I use the big ones, and then I can wrap them around my hair. Okay, so now your hair is slicked down, looking good, honey. And you're gonna go in with your donut. So this is the donut that I got from my local beauty supply store, and it's just kind of like a medium-sized donut. You're gonna run your ponytail through this hole. So if you have a lot of hair, you kind of have to make it a little bit more wide and run your ponytail through it as such.
Place on my bed, anywhere you wanna go, we will fly in a jet. Slow down, girl, let me break it down. From town to town, I did ask around for the baddest girl that hold it down. Then they point to you, say that you hold the crown. Say pop, girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say pop, girl, make you move it for me. Body to the left and body to the right. Oh, your pop, girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now.
A little bit more hair, it's gonna come out, and so just to fix those ends and the part that was not able to be tucked in by the donut, you can just wrap that around, or I just like to just twist it. You can take another smaller one and kind of conceal those extra hair. Last but not least, I like to just go ahead and lay my edges just a little bit to make it look a little bit more polished. I'm going in with the 24-hour edge control.
Give it to me now. Slow down, girl, do slow motion. Skin smooth, use good lotion. Body so hot.
I just add just a little bit of oil to the top, and then I go ahead and put on my scarf, and I let it sit until I fully get dressed for the day. And then as I'm leaving, I'll go ahead and take off the scarf. So I have let this sit on my hair for maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. Went to go grab some food, went to change really quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the finished product. Yes, hunty. That is how you do it. Hopefully you were able to see that 4B, 4C type of hair, honey. You can still slick it in the bun too. Don't let nobody come for you. So I'm ready to get my day started. Hopefully y'all have a great day. Please let me know if there's any content or any topics that you want me to go over so I can know. Comment down below if you do your hair a certain way, or if you use a different type of gel or edge control. Please let me know. I want it to be a conversation for all my naturals out there. As always, I love you, but most importantly though, God loves you. If you need encouragement, or you know somebody else who may need encouragement, please write it to my foundation, www.letitfly.net. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.
Dream about it, I go get it, that's how I do it. Not in the stars, I'm not lucky, I just